What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys join the KK gang. We lit over here. What am I say? We lit over here. Anyways, this is just a video sharing with you guys how I grow my natural hair with feed-in plus box braids. First thing, when I have braids, I wash my hair every 2 weeks, but since it's day 7, it's only been a week since I did my braids. I'm gonna leave the link down below for my box braids plus feed-in braid routine, how I do it. So I won't be washing my hair for another week. So basically I'll just be sharing with you guys how I moisturize my hair, steal my hair, and all that good stuff while my hair is braided. If you keep your hair moisturized, it will grow. Don't just leave your hair to be dry and brittle because it's a protective style. No, it doesn't work like that. Because once you take the braids out, your hair is gonna be dry and brittle. Once you moisturize your hair while having braids, when you take down your braids, it's gonna be soft and moisturized, and that's what you're looking for. That's what you want. So the first thing I do is I refresh my hair with this Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. It makes my scalp feel so refreshed. Like, I love the feeling. I just spray it through my braids. Don't forget your nape. It needs loving and caring too. Yeah. So the next thing I do is I oil my scalp with my wild growth oil. I have the white one. This is only wild growth oil. And I also have the yellow one. This is the wild growth light oil moisturizer. This one I mix it with my Jamaican castor oil. This right here. I use these oils like once or twice a week. Like this week I'll use the white bottle, the next week I'll use the yellow bottle. So for this video I'll use the yellow bottle that's mixed with the Jamaican black castor oil. And I just oil my scalp. Oh shit. I just go through real fast. I feel like some may make a mess. Am I? Ugh. Why I gotta be the clumsy girl? I'm so clumsy, man. And I just run my finger through just to get the oil to distribute in my hair. Then kind of like lift the braids up and go through. I see you name Clumsy. You know what? I'm gonna change my YouTube name to Kurly Krissy. That actually sounds good. It actually sounds good. Cartoon. Kurly Krissy. Alright. Anyways, I didn't show this in my braiding video. I totally forgot to record that part. Like when I'm done braiding my hair, I always put the Lotta body with coconut oil and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse on my hair. Like I put it all over and then tie it down. As I was saying before, the camera rudely interrupted me and got cut off for no reason. Rude. Anyways, I use it when I finish braid my hair, and also when I see that my hair is frizzing out through the braids. This keeps down flyaways. I so need a new bottle. Not buying on for now. And then after I'm done applying the mousse, I tie my hair with a scarf. Also, this is how I go to bed at night. This can also be a nighttime routine. I'm just gonna be tying my hair for like 15 minutes or so. I use the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen to give my hair a little shine. My braids, I just don't want it to look all dry. So I spray that on my hair and also the top of my hair right here. You don't want your ear look dry. You know, you want your braid to look up there. And it smells so good. Like, smells like something I can eat. Or maybe I'm just hungry. Alright, so I'm back. It's like 15 minutes later. I'm gonna spray with Lotta hair sheen here up here, so just to give it a little shine, you know. And that's it for my braid care routine, hair care routine. You get what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm pin it up in a little style like this. I can't show it for me. Let me do one little clip right here. So no matter to get up and go find the clip. My big ass on that clip. And that's it. You ready to go. You ready for the road. Braids looking fresh and shiny, looking good. Anyways, beauties, if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. I love you guys so much. Also, please remember to like, share, and leave a comment down below what you think about my braid care routine. Bye.